Hey friends, if you wish to install Japanese keyboard on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane. Now click on add a language. Search for Japanese and then select the Japanese language. Click on next and then select install. Now this will start installing the Japanese language, and as you can see it is downloading. Okay, it will need a while to download this. Once it is downloaded, you can keep moving it up, keep hitting the move up button till it is on the top. You also need to note that in with a lot of Windows licenses, you are only allowed one language at a time. So if you wish to use Japanese, then keep moving it to the top after downloading it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.